As you can see, all the other cars are dry. The one with the protection isn't. Didn't absorb the water. It doesn't absorb the water like the ones without protection. Well, this is not entirely a good thing because the rain is dirty, at least in our country, and if you leave it like this, it will create water spots. See? So you have to get the water down somehow. You either blow it with something or wash it and blow it. Or you could use a towel, but that's not really safe because you scratch the paint. Water doesn't act like a ceramic coating obviously, but still, for the price of this coating, it's really nice. We are back after 1 week. As you can see, the water is still not absorbed. Every time it rains, the car stays wet a lot of time. So, is it dirty after a week? Yeah, it's a daily driver, it's full of dirt, it's full of water spots everywhere. So our goal now is to clean the car just with clean water. It's filtered, obviously, filtered water, but we're gonna clean it just with that. No soap at all. We're not gonna touch the car with anything, just clean water. That's our goal, to wash the cars only with clean water. Wash it every week using no soap. If we can achieve that with any type of coating, that's our winner. So let's clean it and see if it cleans 100% just with clean water. Let's see if we can get off the water spots of the car and the dirt and everything. So as you can see, water sheeting and beading is not that good, and you could see the difference on the windows. That's a ceramic coating. On the wheels, that's a ceramic coating. Now that has real water beading and sheeting. The paint doesn't. So can you clean the car just with water using this coating? No, you can't. Absolutely not. Look at that. You can clean it how much as you want with clean water. It will not clean the car entirely. Look at the wheels. They are squeaky clean. No water spots, no dirt. Why? Because this is a ceramic coating. The paint, look at that. Nothing. Doesn't even move. The dirt stays on. So can you clean it with water? No, we need to use a soap. So we're gonna use a soap and wash it like that. What kind of soap do you use when you clean your car and it has a coating on it? Well, you have to be really careful what soap do you choose. If you go to an automatic car wash, or if you go to a private car wash, you have to tell them you have a coating on your car. They have to be careful about what soap they use, right? For example, we need to have a pH neutral soap if you want to wash a car that has a coating on it. If you're not gonna use that, you're gonna take the coating off. If the soap is not pH neutral, it will take your coat off, right? It has to be safe for waxes and sealants, exactly like this one from Chemical Guys. You have to be very careful. You don't want to pay a lot of money to put a coat on and then go to the first car wash and take it off. Okay, so we are back. Sadly, we had to touch the car, we had to wash it manually. So is it clean now? It is very clean. All the water spots, all the dirt is gone thanks to chemical guys soap. But we had to touch the car. Is the car still smooth? Yeah, it is smooth. Was it hard to wash? No, it was really easy to wash. It was like 5 minutes. It was like erasing something. It was real. The dirt came off really easily. Like it was nothing. Nothing was sticking to the paint. So the coating is good. But you can't wash it just with water. You have to touch the car, you have to wash it like before, but it's gonna be so easy, like 5 minutes, and look at the car, it's clean. It was easy drying, easy washing. So for the price of this coating, this is really good, really amazing. So next time, join us after 1 week. We're gonna drive it again every day. It's a daily driver, as I said. It's gonna get dirty again, but next time we're gonna wash it with hot water. Let's see if that makes any difference. And then we're not gonna dry it with a towel, we're gonna drive it. We're gonna drive it for a few kilometers and let's see if it dries like that. So we're gonna wash it with hot water, we see the difference there, and then we're gonna see if it dries just by driving it. Will the water just roll off or not? Well, join us next week to find out.